Have you ever seen a math problem like this? 8 divided by 8, divided by 8, divided by 8. Most people see this and solve it the wrong way. Let's look at that common mistake first. The instinct for many is to do all the divisions at once. They think 8 divided by 8 is 1, and another 8 divided by 8 is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 should be 1, right? This seems logical, but it is incorrect. Let's find out why and then solve it the right way using the PEMDAS rule. First, a quick refresher. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The most important thing to remember here is that multiplication and division have equal priority. And when operations have the same priority, you must solve them from left to right. Our problem is written as a series of divisions with no parentheses, so we have to tackle it strictly from left to right. Let's begin the correct way. Step 1. Take the first two numbers. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So now our problem becomes 1 divided by 8 divided by 8. Step 2. Move right to the next division. 1 divided by 8 is 1/8. Our problem is now 1/8 divided by 8. Step 3. The final step. 1/8 divided by 8 is the same as 1/8 times 1/8. This equals 1/64. So the correct answer is not 1, but 1/64. The key takeaway is that division is not commutative. The order matters. Remember, when dealing with consecutive divisions, always work from left to right. If this clear explanation helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments what other tricky math problems we should break down next. Thanks for watching.